Hi, I'm Gavin. Are you tired of picking your crops by hand?
Keep going.
Tired of it, Grandpa.
Well, that's too dang bad.
I'm Colton Stover. Are you tired of riding your bike everywhere?
My legs are getting tired. Yeah. Well, if you don't give a care in the world about global warming, we got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the combustible engine.
Some engines have more pistons than others, and some use different fuels like gas, diesel, and ethanol. Just make sure to use the right fuel, or your engine will sound like this.
Combustible engines can be used in vehicles, lawnmowers, heaters, and even dryers for clothes.
But wait, there's more. Call now and get free samples of a combusting engine. Limited offer, so don't wait.
No, I'm not doing
Ba-da-doo-doo-da, ba-da-dee-skee-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-da-dee-da-doo, fla-sa-dee-dee-da-doo-dee.